Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how really easy it is to integrate on-chain data directly into your Farcaster Frame using the new Airstack Frog recipe. So for your information, we have exported all the function from the official Airstack Frames SDK and made it available through the Airstack Frog recipe directly, so you can fetch all the function to fetch all the data directly from the Airstack Frog recipe. So what I mean by that is that like all the functions that's available in the Frames SDK is now available through the Airstack Frog recipe. So for a quick demonstration, for example, I'm going to run this getTrendingMints function right here. So to do that, it's very easy. I can just copy this code really quickly. I can paste it right here. For the imports, like these are available directly from the Airstack Frog recipe like that. So we can remove this and just have one import. And then the rest of the code right here, I can copy and paste it right down here. And essentially, I'm putting it in a frame so that like in here is just a very simple demo where I'm gonna like log the data from the trending mints that I get. So we'll see how it goes. Try to save this, and then it will re-render the frames again in the Frog Dev tool like this. So let me try run it once more. There you go. So it made another request. So once that's done, essentially it should provide you with a log of the trending mints that we just requested directly from the function right there. So just as easy as that, and you get everything right there, all the power of the on-chain data from the Airstack Frames SDK directly here through the Airstack Frog recipe.